Hi guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to talk about the filing due dates for your tax return. So when are taxes actually due? So it's due at the same time every year. So April 30 every year is when your personal taxes are due. However, if April 30 obviously falls on the weekend, then the next business day is when it would be due. So for this example, April 30, 2023 was a Sunday, so the due date became May 1st, which is the Monday after. Okay, so this means that on April 30th, if you are an individual, so you just have T4 income, you're not self-employed, then your due date will be April 30th, meaning you gotta file and pay on or before April 30th. Or again, if it falls on a weekend, the next business day. Now, if you are self-employed, okay, you can file up to June 15. However, okay, the balance owing is still due on April 30th. So let's say you file your tax return on June 15, you didn't pay till June 15, you will start accumulating penalties and interest on whatever balance you supposedly owe on April 30, 2023. Like after that, it will start accumulating penalties and interest. So even though, again, the due date to file the taxes is June 15, okay, the due date to pay the taxes is April 30th. So I know it's confusing because how will you know how much you need to pay without filing your actual tax return, right? So most people, what they do, they'll estimate their taxes owing as of, April 30 and then remit that to the CRA even though they haven't filed their taxes yet, just so they're not accumulating penalties and interest. And then once they actually file the tax return on June 15th, then it's either like a refund, right? Because they already paid, or if they owe something, they're gonna obviously owe less because they remitted something on April 30. Right? So I know it's a bit confusing, but this is, again, same time every year, doesn't change. It's April 30 or the next business day if April 30 falls on a weekend. So if you guys have any questions, please comment them down below. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.